Hi, I'm Katie Johnson, and I am filming this video to highlight Stampin' Up's flash sale on kits. You can see the details over there in the graphic. It's 3 days only. It's going to be this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, October 6th through 8th. Each kit is going to be discounted 10 to 30% off depending upon the kit. So let's talk about those kits for just a moment. Some of them make cards and some of them make other projects. I'm going to show you a couple of cards right now. So here's one. Check out the gold flashing if I can get the light to shine off of it. Ooh, isn't that pretty? So this is one of the kits. I'm going to show you both of the kits in the box in just a minute. Here's the other kit. A little bit of sparkle down on the bottom if you can see the reflection right here. So yeah, let me turn my camera down and I want to show you the inside of the box so you see what you get when you buy one of the kits. So the Stampin' Up kits all come in a box. Most of them, the boxes are exactly the same size. They're pretty sturdy boxes. So sometimes I know people keep them and just use the boxes like for storage because they stack real nicely. But here's the wonderful thing about the kits. They are all inclusive. Anything that you need except scissors. Anything else you need is going to be contained in the kit. So each kit is going to come with a set of instructions as well as all the parts that you need to make that kit. Some of them have stamps. This one had a little stamp set in it. I'll show you what the stamp set looks like. It will come on a little plastic sheet, so it's just something little like this. Doesn't take up a lot of room. So for someone who doesn't have a lot of storage space, this is a nice way to build up some very versatile stamps, some pretty sentiments, and a nice leaf that you could use for any other projects. When you need ink to do the stamping, and the ink will come on these little 1-inch ink pads. They'll come sealed, and then you just bring a scissors or a needle or something and break the seal around the edges, and now you've got a little stamp set or ink pad that you can use to ink up your stamps. There'll also be a block contained in the kit, and the block, you would just take your stamp off of the plastic that it came on and put it on your block, and then you would take the stamp and bring the ink pad to it, and now you can stamp on your project. In addition to the stamps and the ink and the block, you're also going to have the adhesives that you need to put the project together. And depending upon what the project is, it might be a roll of double sticky tape. It might be these little dimensionals. Well, these are tiny little dimensionals and these are slightly bigger. Or they might be little glue dots, but any adhesive that you need is going to be contained in the kit. If there's any ribbon, it'll be contained in the kit, and if there is embellishments, they will be in the kit. I just started working on this kit. I got this one done and showed you that at the beginning of the video, and then this is the second one. There's actually 3 designs in this kit. This one is called Beautiful Blues. In a minute, I'll show you where you can see what the options are. This kit is a little bit different because in this kit there is no stamping. But again, you can see that it's going to come with a set of instructions that shows you the pictures of what your finished projects will look like. And then on the inside, you get this step-by-step visual set of instructions telling you what parts to pull out. It even shows you where to put the adhesive on the back of each of the parts. So it's just super fun. I mean, it's quick and easy, and you can see it makes gorgeous projects. All right, let's take a look at where you can see what the options are, because there's so many different ones to choose from. This is the Stampin' Up website. I'm looking at it on a computer, so it might look different when you're looking at it on your phone. But to find the kits, I'm going to go up here to Menu, and I'm going to click on Kits, and it shows me Kits Collection right down here at the bottom. And when I scroll down, I'm going to start to see all the amazing, awesome options. And you can see that some of them are cards and some of them are home decor items. This one is some fun little spooky treat boxes for Halloween. So there's really quite a variety of things to choose from. This is some Christmas tags. So the order in which they are displayed when you first log on, the default order is the ones that are most recently added to the database. And every month we get new kits. We get 2 to 3 new kits every month. This month we got 3. We got a card kit, this one right here. We have this fun Christmas card tag, or a Christmas tag set. And then this one is a little journaling remembrance booklet sort of thing. This one down here is a box that you can keep on your desk, as well as including some cards down there. If you did the World Card Making Day event, this is the kit that they were highlighting in that one. Sometimes kits are so popular that they run out of them. So this one says currently unavailable. Currently unavailable means it is coming back into stock. It's just not available yet. Now I want to show you a fun feature of the shopping. I'm clicking on here. It says currently unavailable. If I want, I can have Stampin' Up! Send me an email when it is ready. You can just click your email address in there and hit notify me. Let's see, I also wanted to show you, oh, here's that card kit that I showed you a moment ago. Here, this one down here. So this one is on last chance. The one that was currently unavailable, they're going to restock it. This one, when the supplies run out, they're not planning on restocking. Oh, here's that cute little Halloween house. Guys, there is a lot of things to choose from. I really encourage you to spend some time and just browse through here and see all the different things that are options. So let's take a look at what the shopping experience looks like when you click on it. On the left-hand side over here, you're going to see 3 pictures. Well, you see 3 pictures for this one because there is a stamp set. So in the black and white down here, this is the stamp set that's included in this kit. These are the supplies that come in the kit when you unpackage it. Anytime there's a stamp set, you're going to get the block that you use to do the stamping, and you're going to get the ink that you need to do the stamping. It comes with adhesives. This one down here is those dimensionals, and up here is a ring of double sticky tape that you would use. And then here is the embellishments. If you click on the picture itself, you can expand it and look at things in greater detail if you want to see what the stamp set looks like. To go back, you can click between the pictures. So here's the finished projects, and you can look at those a little bit larger, and then hit the X up there when you want to go back to shopping. I'm just going to hit add to cart. And then I'm going to go back, and I want to show you this one, the Christmas card kit. There's only 2 pictures over here, and that's because there is no stamp set in this one. This is just parts that you would punch out and put together to make these really super cute little Christmas tags, the Nutcracker tags. And of course, if you like the look of this image, but you don't want to do tags, if you have the supplies, you can always just put those on a card. You can shop for as many of them as you want. When you're ready, go to the cart. If it didn't pop out, you can just hit the cart and then go down to view cart and finish up the shopping process. When you finish your shopping process, if you don't already have a demonstrator, I would love to become your demonstrator. Just click demonstrator and put my name in the search area. I'm Katie Johnson. Hit search and it will pop up. You can go ahead and choose me and X out of this little dialog box, and now you'll see that you're shopping with me. So whether or not you buy anything, I really encourage you to check out all the options for the kits. They're good fun and they make good gifts. And the kit purchases qualify for Stampin' Rewards. You earn 10% on any purchase you make that's over $20. The shipping link, I will put it in the description for the video. Have fun browsing the options, and I really think you're going to find something fun.